I have a broken iPad screen here. I'm gonna try to replace it, the digitizer. This is an iPad 2. This is the digitizer I ordered from Amazon. $18 free shipping. These are the tools it comes with. It's like a little guitar pick looking shape. Tweezers. Little scraper. And an opening tool. Here's the new digitizer. It's wise to wear safety goggles or sunglasses to protect your eyes from the glass in case it chips. So another way to protect your eyes or from chipping glass is to tape the glass. And it's coming off in pretty big pieces. Right here is a cable, so in this right top corner, so you have to go really careful, very slowly. I was able to get on top of the camera and the cellular antennas. There's one on this side and one on that side, and the camera's in the middle. I'm able to slide across easily, and I put some tape on the top so it doesn't chip. And it's going pretty smoothly. As you can see the camera right there. A suction cup here. This should work to pull the screen off since I loosened all the edges. And now it's time to take the 4 screws out so you can take the LCD off. After the 4 screws are out of the LCD, it should pop right out. There's a little bar right here they have to lift up. There we go. Okay, now that has been disconnected, we're going to put it in this Ziploc bag to keep it from getting fingerprints on it or dust. See this whale shape? We have to remove the plug right here. The whale plug has 2 ports. I'm going to flip the latch up on both. I'm going to put on the gasket right now. It's got double-sided tape already pre-installed. Here's the new digitizer. It's got adhesive tape all around the edges. Alright, I'm ready to put the LCD back on, and just cleaning with a microfiber cloth. Putting the LCD back on now. Gotta lower this little bar here. Gotta make sure the ribbon is in and curved around. Putting the 4 screws back now. This is the protective layer on the screen. Now we're ready to go. Now let's see if it works. It's turning on. Let's test it out. Doesn't seem to be any dead spots. Alright. If I can do it, you can do it. It's my first time doing it.